Mehndi, also known as henna, is a beautiful and intricate art form that has captivated people for centuries. It has a rich history spanning over 5,000 years, with its origins deeply rooted in ancient India. Originating in ancient India, Mehndi holds deep cultural and traditional significance, symbolizing various aspects of life and spirituality. It is a symbol of beauty, joy, and celebration, often seen adorning the hands and feet of women during special occasions. Mehndi is traditionally used for special occasions, such as weddings, religious ceremonies, and festivals. Weddings, religious ceremonies, and festivals are some examples where Mehndi plays a significant role, adding a touch of elegance and tradition. It is believed to bring good luck, prosperity, and protection to those who wear it, making it an essential part of many cultural rituals. The application of Mehndi is a social activity, often involving female family members and friends, creating a sense of community and bonding. The process involves creating intricate designs on the skin, which can range from simple patterns to highly detailed and elaborate artwork. This is done using a paste made from dried henna leaves, which are carefully prepared to ensure the best quality and color. The leaves are ground into a fine powder, which is then used to create the henna paste. This powder is then mixed with water, essential oils, and sometimes lemon juice to enhance the color and longevity of the stain. The paste is left to rest, allowing the dye to release and develop its rich color. This results in a rich dark color that stains the skin temporarily, creating beautiful and lasting designs. The stain can last for several days or even weeks, depending on the quality of the henna and the care taken to preserve it. It gradually fades as the skin naturally exfoliates, leaving behind a memory of the beautiful art that once adorned it. Mehndi designs vary greatly across different cultures and regions. Each style reflects unique aesthetics and traditions. Let's explore some prominent Mehndi styles. Indian Mehndi is known for its intricate patterns, delicate floral motifs, and elaborate coverage. Indian Mehndi often extends from the hands and feet up to the forearms and lower legs. Peacocks, paisleys, and mandalas are common elements. Arabic Mehndi is characterized by bold, free-flowing designs. Arabic Mehndi typically features large floral patterns, geometric shapes, and vine-like trails. It often leaves more negative space on the skin, creating a striking contrast. Moroccan Mehndi is inspired by geometric designs and architectural motifs. Moroccan Mehndi often incorporates intricate lattice work, chevrons, and tribal patterns. It is typically applied to the hands and feet, emphasizing the palms and soles. Before embarking on your Mehndi journey, it's essential to gather the necessary materials. Henna powder. Opt for high-quality, finely sifted henna powder for a smooth paste and vibrant stain. The quality of the henna powder directly affects the final outcome, so choose wisely. Mixing bowl and spoon. A non-metallic bowl and spoon are crucial for mixing the henna paste without reacting with the henna. Metal can interfere with the dye release process, so always use plastic, glass, or ceramic. Lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as a natural acid, helping to release the dye from the henna powder. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is preferred for its purity and effectiveness. Essential oils. Eucalyptus, lavender, or tea tree oil can be added to the paste for fragrance and to enhance the color. These oils not only improve the scent, but also help in deepening the stain. Sugar. A teaspoon of sugar helps to create a smoother consistency and prevents the paste from drying out too quickly. The sugar acts as a humectant, keeping the paste moist and pliable. Applicator bottles or cones. These allow for precise application and intricate designs. Whether you prefer bottles or cones, ensure they are easy to handle and provide a steady flow of henna. Paper towels and cotton swabs, useful for cleaning up any smudges or mistakes. Keep them handy to maintain the neatness of your design and to quickly correct any errors. With these essentials at your disposal, you're ready to start your Mehndi journey with confidence and creativity. Proper skin preparation is crucial for achieving a vibrant and long-lasting Mehndi stain. Exfoliation. Gently exfoliate the skin with a scrub or washcloth to remove dead skin cells, allowing for better dye penetration. Cleanse. Wash the area thoroughly with soap and water to remove any oils, lotions, or dirt that might hinder the henna's absorption. Avoid moisturizers. Applying moisturizers before Mehndi can create a barrier, preventing the dye from reaching the skin. Hair removal. For areas with hair, consider removing it prior to application, as henna can stain hair more intensely than skin. Section 5. Your first Mehndi design. Simple steps, stunning results. Creating your first Mehndi design can be exciting and rewarding. It's a beautiful art form that allows you to express your creativity and cultural heritage. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. First, prepare the paste. This is the foundation of your design, so take your time to get it right. Combine henna powder, lemon juice, essential oils, and sugar in a bowl, gradually adding water until you achieve a smooth, yogurt-like consistency. The mixture should be lump-free and easy to work with. Next, fill the applicator. Carefully transfer the henna paste into your chosen applicator bottle or cone. Make sure there are no air bubbles, as they can disrupt the flow of the paste. Then, practice strokes. On a piece of paper, practice applying even pressure to the applicator, creating lines, dots, and simple shapes. This will help you gain control and precision. After that, start simple. Begin with a basic design such as a floral motif, a geometric pattern, or a series of dots and lines. These simple designs are easier to master and will build your confidence. Finally, allow it to dry. The drying process is crucial for the color to develop properly. Once you're satisfied with your design, allow the henna paste to dry completely. Avoid touching or smudging it during this time. This can take several hours. Be patient, as the longer you let it dry, the darker and more vibrant the final result will be. Enjoy the process and the stunning results. Section 6. Mastering Mehndi, avoiding common pitfalls. As with any art form, practice makes perfect. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Inconsistent paste consistency. If the paste is too thick, it won't flow smoothly. If it's too runny, it will smudge and create blurry designs. Rushing the drying process. Allow the henna paste to dry naturally. Using heat or a hairdryer can cause the design to crack and fade quickly. Applying too much pressure, excessive pressure on the applicator can result in thick, uneven lines. Use a light touch for delicate designs. Ignoring aftercare. Proper aftercare is crucial for a vibrant and long-lasting stain. Keep the area moisturized and avoid excessive washing or scrubbing. Long-lasting beauty. Aftercare tips for vibrant Mehndi. Once your Mehndi design has dried completely, follow these aftercare tips to enhance its color and longevity. Dab a mixture of lemon juice and sugar onto the dried henna. The sugar helps to keep the henna moist, while the lemon juice enhances the color. Keep the area dry for at least 6 to 8 hours after application. Water can dilute the dye and prevent it from fully staining the skin. Once the henna has fully stained the skin, apply a natural oil or unscented lotion to keep the area moisturized. Refrain from scrubbing or using harsh soaps on the Mehndi design, as this can cause it to fade prematurely. Showcasing your masterpiece. The Joy of Mehndi. Mehndi is not just about the final result, it's about the entire experience. From the moment you mix the henna paste to the time the design graces your skin, it's a journey of creativity, self-expression, and cultural immersion. Once your Mehndi design is complete, take pride in your creation. Admire the intricate patterns, the vibrant color, and the way it enhances your natural beauty. Share your masterpiece with friends and family, explaining the significance behind the designs and the traditions they represent. Beyond the basics, exploring advanced techniques and designs. As you become more comfortable with the basics, you can delve into more advanced Mehndi techniques and designs. Mastering shading techniques allows you to create depth and dimension in your designs. Experiment with layering different henna paste colors to achieve subtle variations in shade. Add a touch of sparkle and glamour by incorporating glitter, rhinestones, or other embellishments into your designs. Conclusion. The enduring legacy of Mehndi. Mehndi is more than just a temporary skin decoration. It's a living art form with a rich history, cultural significance, and a unique ability to connect people across generations. From simple dots and lines to elaborate floral motifs and geometric patterns, Mehndi allows for endless creativity and self-expression. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, The journey of mastering Mehndi is one of discovery, artistry, and cultural appreciation. So gather your materials, embrace the process, and let your creativity flow as you adorn yourself or others with this ancient and beautiful art form. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Enlighten Sphere for more Mehndi art and other creative content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.